we have our training field. This is my backyard. This is a new blind that Sean built me. And what next you need to train is a willing dog that's paying attention. Good boy. Sit. Bring. Out. Yes. Okay, here we are getting ready for the 1 meter jump. Happy dog. Dumbbell. Shits in one dumbbell. And a jump. Sit.